Hey up, firebugs. Right, I wanted to do a tutorial about the bamboo fire saw. Actually, it's one of my favourites out here. You can literally take one piece of bamboo and make a fire with it. Yeah. I'll show you how. I'll give you a few tips as well on making it a bit easier. So obviously first you need a bamboo, and bamboo is plentiful on pretty much every continent apart from Antarctica. Yeah. So what you need is the right thickness of bamboo. Yeah. Especially for your half. I mean, you can do it two ways. This. I'm going to show you the reverse way, actually, where you're using a piece in your hands and rubbing it up and down the hearthwood like that. So anyway, the thickness needs to be about 5mm like that, yeah, and you need to make it long enough so you can hold it comfortably in both hands like that, yeah. And your blade, this was cut from the same piece, but at the base it's thicker, so I've cut a piece a bit thicker that I can make pretty much a flat piece instead of it being cut like that. You can make a cupped blade work and just rub up and down that edge at an angle, but if you get the thicker piece from the bottom, it just adds to the stability really, which is one of the key things in this. So when you've got your blade, yeah, part of this is going to be dug in the ground. Yeah, you don't want it too long because that will increase the chance of movement, which sap the energy from what you're trying to do. Right, so you've got your blade, cut a sharp edge. Yeah. Have a bit of a spike at one end and a rounded end at the other, because I'll show you a couple of methods of holding it, and one involves digging it into your waist, and then that obviously you're going to need padding for that, you know, some sort. If you're on the fly, you can use some twisted up stems or some dead plants. Get it in there like that. Dig that end in the ground, you get it nice and stable, then this is what you're going to do, rub up and down it like that, which is an effective way if you're on out in the field, but I want to show you a really easy way as well how to secure that. First I'll just show you how you prep the hearth, yeah. Like I said, get it comfortable to hold, not too short like that where you're struggling. Comfortable length, keep your hands apart. I'm going to put a groove on this side. Not all the way through. See that there, that groove, yeah. Like I said, not all the way through, because what you're going to do is come from the inside and just bore a little hole through. So it's just comes through. Yeah, don't make a big hole, because what you're going to do, the friction is going to cut into that and increase the size of that hole, and the dust will build on the inside. Yeah. Right. Got your blade. You've got your hawk. You're going to need tinder as well, which comes off the same piece of bamboo. So dig in there, and all you do is you scrape. And make shape and scrape down and scrape up, and you get two little clumps of it eventually. Some more. Two little balls here. Now roll them, process and get the fibres nice and fine. I'll show you this in a minute. Pull them apart a bit. Rub them, roll them off. Yeah, I say just rough them up. Two little balls. Right, your two little balls go either side of the little divot with the little hole there, yeah? Right, now I just hold them with my thumbs like that, but what you can do is get a splint of bamboo off the same piece, just split it a bit. This isn't bamboo, this is just a twig to give you a demonstration, but basically, yeah, slither of bamboo over and hold it both sides as well like that. Like I said, I prefer just to hold it with my thumbs anyway. So right, so you can actually carry on scraping, get all your tinder material off the same stick, in the same way like that, yeah. Which works great sometimes. Sometimes you get all smoke and no ignition. There might be bits of moisture in the bamboo, the certain type of bamboo, whatever. So I do like to get a standby tinder bundle ready as well once I get ignition. I've got a bit of coconut fibre there, yeah. Right. So we've got the tinder for the inside of the half, that's all prepped, the blade. Right, so let me show you particular hack I want to do on this. Instead of doing like the way I showed you before, where you're digging it into your waist with some pushing it. I said it leaves a lot of margin for movement. Like I said, that's not good. It's lost energy. So what you need is a stick. A stake basically. You make a pointed end on it at one end. The other end, you cut a 45-degree. Yeah, like a 45-degree cut, about halfway. Yeah, and then split that out. What you got is a platform there that you're gonna rest your blade on. And then what you're gonna do is bang this thing good and tight. Okay. Alright, that's good and strong. So now I'm going to bang this in. And like I said, you don't want it too long because the more length, the greater chance of movement. So I said about 45 degrees. And then that's good and tight, yeah? Just to keep it extra secure, what I want to do is lash it to this so it totally can't move, yeah? Right, solid, see that? So give you a closer look there, look. Simple setup, yeah, roughly 45 degrees, yeah, lash to that, right, all set up. Put the two bits of tinder in the hearth next to the hole there. So don't get too above it, sort of a bit like the fire plough. Set yourself back a bit, and then your whole body's pushing down through your shoulders, yeah? Yeah? Now initially, start slow. You want to set up with long strokes. Keeping steady pressure. Now, what you'll see, and what I'm seeing now, is the blade is starting to darken and I'm seeing a slight bit of smoke, so I'm going to increase the pressure, shorten the strokes, and now I've got good smoke. I'm really going to push and go for it. I'll stop. I've got smoke coming out that hole now, which tells me I've got ignition. What you need is just a little splint to put. Let me show you. Because that ember just gets stuck in there, so you just got to give it a little poke through there like that, and then you can blow it. So push your tinder together now to grab that ember inside there. Blow through your hole. Yeah. Sometimes, like I say, with the right bamboo, you can blow this and actually blow it to flame. Don't breathe the smoke in though, it's nasty stuff. So it's not quite getting ignition, so pop him in the tinder bundle there, yeah, and then we can set him straight to flame. Looks like the coconut's a bit damp as well today. I need a bit of backup. Just let him sit there a minute. You can just heat your thing. So heat it set up and dry the moisture out. Give it another blow in a minute. But there you go, guys. Bamboo fire saw, yeah. Sort of as easy as I can show you, really. But this is a great device to increase your chances. Just eliminates all that movement when you're trapping it between your waist or against the tree. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.